Welcome friends. Today we will discuss about customer protection against agents acts. In this series, today we will discuss about real estate agent. There is no rule regulation or code of conduct or regulated by any body. This real estate is highly unorganized sector till date. Even though RERA has been brought to regularize the real estate market. It is for builders. The rules and regulations are mandated for builders. कि whatever they are promising, they have to deliver. And town bound, everything for builder or a real estate developer, not for agents. Yes, there is National Association of Realtors of India. They have framed some code of conduct which agent are supposed to follow, but it is not mandatory. You cannot take agent to court until unless you have something written. So be careful while dealing for real estate agency. Of course, you will put your lifestyle's money in purchase of real estate. So you have to be extra careful, extra vigilant, and must put some extra efforts and time to research, and then when you are fully convinced, then only go ahead with purchase of any real estate flat or unit. So what are the in general guidelines for a real estate agent? First is protect and promote the interest of their client. It is supposed to be like that, but hardly you find any agent who will protect your and promote your interest. Of course, they will see their interest first and try to get more commission. Another thing is remain obliged to treat all party honestly. It is code of conduct we can say or guidelines for them. But again it is very difficult to find such agent who will be obliged to treat all party honestly, especially customers. They may be honest to builders to whom they are dealing regularly, but hard for customer. They are also supposed to avoid any exaggeration, misrepresentation of facts, or concealment of pertinent facts about the unit or flat or property he is trying to sell. He should not tell anything which is not part of development or not going to be part of development in future also. They may tell you that this adjoining plot is for future park development or any green belt or anything like that. If in reality it is not there, so lot of misrepresentation will happen. They might tell you कि from this side a national highway will pass or a metro will come in this vicinity or a shopping mall will be there. They can tell you anything, but we have to be extra careful and vigilant and must cross check with multiple agents to get some truth about the same. They are not supposed to be obligated to discover latent defects in the property, to advise on matter of not related to their scope of works or outside their scope of buying and selling or this sale of a property. They are supposed to disclose facts whichever confidential to their broker. Another thing, not to provide professional service concerning a property or its value being biased interest. They are also not supposed to accept compensation from more than one party, even though legally permitted. If they want, they should disclose to all party concerned. Without disclosing, they should not get any compensation. So it is better to inform, if possible, give in written. कि they will get this much compensation from this party, this much from that party. They are supposed to assure agreement to be in writing and all pertinent facts there. There is no concealment there. It should be, agreement should be clear and understandable to all people. Even a layman can understand. So language should be simple and clear. They should be careful at all times to present true picture in their advertisements and representation to public. They should not conceal any fact and should not exaggerate any fact or distort any fact to look good. They are not supposed to knowingly or recklessly make up false or misleading statements about competitors, their business or practices. So, what you can do? What is the tips for customer? How they can be safe in this environment of highly unregularized real estate sector? In my view, first thing they can do to prioritize their needs. What are their needs? What are their requirements? Clear cut requirements. What can be postponed till tomorrow? And what can be postponed forever? If you are able to do this, then you have clear cut idea to what you need, what is your need related to real estate, maybe by location, convenience, everything you have to have in perspective, and then start researching whether you are able to find property as per your requirement, as per your need, within your budget. Don't go with one agent only. You must consult multiple agents in that vicinity. If you are able to find some inference, check with that inference. And if you are able to find some trustworthy, honest agent, that will be better. Of course, you have to look for your friends, relatives, colleagues. You can get reference from them any good agents with whom they have dealt with. Another thing you can ask from agents to give you reference whom they have already given service. You can check with those people how is their experience and how to deal with how they have researched and how they reach to final conclusion. So if you will do some due diligence, do intensive research, you will be able to land in proper unit, proper flight of your choice, and then only going through all fine prints. If not able to do by yourself, better to engage third party or let agent show all fine prints, all pertinent points of the agreement. If you are convinced, fully convinced, then only go ahead with purchase of there. You have to be stay up to date, especially in the real estate sector purchases. Otherwise, chances of getting in wrong deal. You must read before sign. Just remember, you are going to spend your lifetime earnings in purchase of a real estate. So you have to give some extra effort, some extra time to go through, read before signing anything. Thank you. This is from today conversation. If you find some value, please subscribe to this channel, like, and also share with your friends, colleagues, so that they can get also some value out of this course. Thank you. Bye bye.